One small mistake can ruin an entire tiling, flooring, or cabinet installation, and cost you hours to fix. That's why choosing the right laser level matters. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 4D 16-line green laser levels with bright 360 degrees coverage, smart self-leveling, and professional-grade accuracy. Stay until the end to see which model offers the best value and deserves the number 1 spot. Let's get started. Number 1. Huepar 4D 16 lines cross-line laser level. The Huepar 4D 16 lines cross-line laser level is built for professionals and serious DIY users who need precision, speed, and flexibility for tile, flooring, and alignment projects. Its bright green beam technology delivers stronger visibility than standard red lasers, making it easier to work indoors and in moderately bright environments. With 4 360-degree laser planes, it provides full room coverage, allowing you to complete layouts faster without constantly moving the device. The intelligent self-leveling system automatically adjusts within range, helping reduce setup time while improving accuracy. A convenient remote control lets you switch modes or lines from a distance, which is especially helpful when working alone. Powered by a rechargeable Li-ion battery, it offers long runtime for extended projects. Its rugged yet compact design makes it durable enough for busy job sites while remaining easy to carry. Whether installing tiles, cabinets, or ceiling grids, this laser level combines modern features with dependable performance to help you work faster and achieve professional-level accuracy. Number 2. Tripod/Nivel, a laser 16 lines professional green line level. The Tripod/Nivel, a laser 16 lines professional level, is designed to deliver reliable precision for contractors and home renovators working on walls, floors, and ceiling layouts. Featuring bright green laser lines and full 360-degree coverage, it creates a clear visual reference that simplifies tile placement, framing, and decorative installations. Its self-leveling mechanism stabilizes the laser within seconds, ensuring straight lines without constant manual adjustments. The included tripod adds stability and allows height adjustments, making it ideal for large spaces or uneven surfaces. Multiplane projection enables simultaneous horizontal and vertical measurements, improving workflow efficiency and saving valuable time. Lightweight yet durable, this laser level is easy to transport between rooms or job sites. The intuitive control system allows quick switching between laser modes, making it user-friendly even for beginners. Overall, it offers a balanced combination of accuracy, convenience, and value, making it a dependable option for everyday renovation and construction tasks where precision matters most. Number 3. Huepar S04CG C-Set 4D 16 lines laser level. The Huepar S04CG C-Set stands out as a feature-rich laser leveling solution designed for professionals who want advanced control and precision. Equipped with 4 360-degree green laser planes, it provides complete room coverage for tasks like tile installation, cabinet alignment, and structural measurements. A built-in LCD screen displays real-time battery status and operating modes, helping users stay informed during work. Bluetooth connectivity allows control through a mobile app, letting you adjust settings without touching the device. Perfect for large areas or elevated installations. The included remote control, detector compatibility, tripod, and rangefinder adapter add versatility for both indoor and outdoor use. Its high-capacity rechargeable battery ensures long operating time while maintaining consistent brightness. Self-leveling technology keeps lines accurate even on slightly uneven surfaces, and the durable construction is built to handle demanding job sites. For users who want smart features, strong performance, and modern connectivity, the S04CGC delivers a powerful and professional laser leveling experience. Number 4. YEVOLT YVGLL 4XS16 4D 360 degrees 16 line sight laser level. The YEVOLT YVGLL 4XS16 is designed for large-scale construction and outdoor alignment projects where strong visibility and durability are important. Its ultra-bright green laser lines deliver clear projection across wide job sites, making it ideal for paving, landscaping, structural layout, and renovation work. With a working range of up to around 30 meters, it helps maintain accurate measurements even in open environments. The automatic self-leveling system quickly corrects alignment, reducing setup time and ensuring straight, consistent lines. Built with a heavy-duty exterior, It is made to handle dust, impact, and demanding outdoor conditions. Multiple operating modes allow easy switching between horizontal leveling and vertical alignment, depending on the task. Its ergonomic design and simple controls make it easy to use, offering reliable performance, extended range, and consistent accuracy for professionals handling complex construction or outdoor leveling projects. Number 5. Lfine 4D16 Lines 360 degrees Self-Leveling Laser Level. The Lfine 4D16 Lines 360 degrees Self-Leveling Laser Level is a reliable and budget-friendly tool designed for professionals and serious DIY users who need accurate alignment without complex setup. It offers full 360-degree green laser coverage, making it ideal for flooring, wall framing, cabinet installation, tiling, and finishing projects. The bright green beam provides better indoor visibility than traditional red lasers, helping improve efficiency and precision. Its automatic self-leveling system quickly stabilizes the lines, saving time while maintaining consistent accuracy. Multiple laser modes allow vertical, horizontal, or multi-plane projection depending on your task, giving you flexible working options. Tripod compatibility adds adjustable height for different room sizes and renovation needs. Built with a durable outer housing, it resists dust and job site wear, while the rechargeable battery supports long working sessions with simple, beginner-friendly operation. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.